Good afternoon, traders. This is Arcadia Trading, and we will be doing our weekly Tesla update video. So last week, I was been talking about that we had two bullish patterns forming, and let's currently go to the weekly time frame. So the first bullish pattern that I was looking at last week was the cup and handle, and it ended up playing out this week. You can see we had a very bullish week, and also we need to break above this 211 to 214 area of resistance. You can see all this cluster of volume and rejections from that level that we have traded in prior weeks. And also we were looking at the inverse head and shoulders. I like the inverse head and shoulders more than the cup handle, to be honest. The cup handle is not as defined. So you can see this is the left shoulder, and this is the head, and this is currently the right shoulder. So we need to break above this level for a confirmed inverse head and shoulders breakout. So far, it's still playing out, and we have news this weekend on Tesla's delivery. So far, analysts are expecting it to be a record delivery again, but we'll have to see if the numbers when it comes out. And today is quite a bullish day for Tesla. You can see it's up 6.24%. And the reason that I was bullish last week is because a couple of things. You can see that we had this huge move up, and the bears could not take it over under this support. See this area of support? I'm just gonna make it more clear for you guys. So we pretty much topped exactly in this area, and then we bounced. So bears tried to bring it back down more than they wanted to, and they couldn't. So once the bulls see that there's no more follow through anymore from the bears, we bounced, and then we retested this prior area of resistance, and then we bounced off of it as well again. Time for the bulls. And currently, you can also look at the QQQ divided by QQQ divided by Tesla. Wait, I'm gonna go to it for a sec. So Tesla divided by QQQ, you can see we have a relative strength today. Relative strength means when you compare QQQ and Tesla, who is moving more, who is moving less. Like it's relative strength compared to each other. So this is what the chart looks like for it. You can see today we are relatively much stronger by 4.5%, because QQQ only went up 1.66% and Tesla has gone up 6.24%. And you can see that's during this like consolidation cluster. Tesla was moving less than QQQ, but once it broke out, it made up of all its gains more than this little weakness here. And so as of now, I am still bullish on Tesla as long as we are in our daily uptrend that is still intact. So there is no red flags for bulls at the moment. The daily time frame is in uptrend. The weekly is forming to be an uptrend actually. So you can see this A to B move is a straight shot up, and we haven't changed the trend yet. So right now we move down and have set the higher low. So the higher low is set for the weekly trend, and now we just need to break above the prior high, which is 217.65. And if we do that, Tesla is now in a confirmed weekly uptrend. So we'll see if Tesla can actually break to 17.65. If it does, it'll be quite notable. That'll be the first weekly uptrend since I don't see it anywhere. This is a weekly downtrend. This is a weekly no trend, a neutral trend. This would be actually I would call this a weekly uptrend because you can see this is a higher low compared to the previous candle, and then we broke above it. So it would be a weekly uptrend since February of 22, about almost a year ago. So that'll be very notable for the bulls. If this can confirm, we have a clear weekly uptrend. This one is a lot clearer than this one. So yeah, if that happens, we'll have all the trends in our favor. And if you even go longer time frame, we'll be looking at the monthly time frame. And in fact, you can say we will be also in a monthly uptrend. You can see we have 2 months up, and this candle is lower than the prior candle, so this is the higher low. And then today is March 31st, so that means next week we have I'll clear it down real quick. Next week would be April. So in April we will be opening right here for that candle, and if we do end up breaking 217.65, it's also a confirmed monthly uptrend. So we'll get monthly, weekly, daily uptrend all in favor for the bulls. If that does happen, so that delivery number is definitely key. And if you're a bull, you definitely wanted to see that number coming hot. And if you're a bear, of course, you wish they have a miss. You can see that you can see this 210. There's a couple of resistance in this area as well. So we'll see if we break 210 and then break 217. And let's see here. And as of now, on the shorter term time frame, if you're like an intraday scalper, there is 0 red flags for the bulls. You can see we didn't even test the hourly 12 EMA. We are that extended. I'm looking to see if this teal looking line, we've been bouncing off of it in the shorter time frame. So I'm going to see if, let's say, QQQ has been super extended lately. So what I want to see is QQQ pull back a little bit, and let's say Tesla pulls back a little bit on the hourly time frame, and the 12 EMA catches up, and we pull back, and then we bounce off of it again to continue its bull trend. Or we get a super good delivery number, we just gap up Monday. Who knows, right? And we gap up 210, and then we continue and see if we can test that to 217 crucial area that we've been talking about. So I'll give you guys an update next week on Tesla, and tomorrow I'll give you guys an update on QQQ, SPY, and the other sectors that I'm looking at as a broader market in the whole. And yeah, if you guys got any questions, let me know in the comments. And if you subscribe, I do daily market videos. And have a good weekend.